This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 22nd, 2023. It's currently April 23rd, 2023, 9:21 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file we're about to play was created on February 26, 2023 at 11:04 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. So the overall theme of behavior for the day, we have a failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by a decline through key support. What's interesting about this failed attempt to break through key resistance is that technicals would lead us to believe that we're going to break through. Usually what happens is we have a failed attempt to break through it, followed by the establishment falsely of support, and then another attempt to break through it. And since we falsely established support, it looks like we're going to break through it that second time, but instead we have a disappointment. We turn around and we decline through key support. Behavior around the highest high, an important technical range, the upper end of a range is highlighted around the high here. That's on a multi-day scale. Behavior around the low, we have from selling off from a crest or peak down to and through support, to, and then we do a U-shaped reversal, come back and reuse that support as support. I'm advised to trade around a diagonal rally along a diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance. Sorry, a rally along a diagonal trend line, ending with a fast sudden move higher, and then a breakdown through that diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. And volume seems to be bullish, but kind of like mixed but bullish. So in the pre-market, we have a sideways S formation, which usually is with a horizontal resistance and support. Sometimes it's at an angle, but usually it's horizontal, and you go from resistance, you decline to support, reverse, go all the way back to resistance, reverse, retrace all the way back to support, creating a sideways S formation. Sideways S formation. And then in the right around the open, we have the establishment of support on a one-day scale. We have a big move to the upside standing out on a one-day, and then another establishment of support at a higher level. Big move to the upside here early in the day. Somewhere between that big move to the upside and another move out of near oversold territory, or to fill a gap down, there's like a dip here between roughly 10 and 11. Short lasting because there's a sideways fluctuating rally here preceding a decline, but there is a little bit of a decline in here. We see a low, a trough, and not a day's low, but a trough of some kind in here that'll stand out. Big move out of that into erratic behavior midday, back and forth through the same price level. There's a crest that we revisit in the midst of that was recently a past opportunity. And like I said, it's a failed attempt to break through key resistance we expect to break through. Instead, we decline through key support, and that'll be off of an oversold crest or peak. We sell down to and through multiple support levels. After the selling down through multiple support levels, around 2 o'clock, maybe a little bit after 2, there's another move to the upside, a big move to the upside. Multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance. Multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance, and then the revisiting of a support level in a period of sideways rotation there in the last hour. An important crest. It's unlikely that this is the day's high. Here we probably see lows towards the end of the day. Unlikely that it's the day's high. My sense is the day's high is either here first thing in the morning, where we have these yellow highlights, or we have it midday. But in any case, sneak preview for the following day, we have a higher price level, like a new local high of some sort there on the 22nd or on the 23rd. We open higher in any case, and that's the S&P 500 for June 22nd, 2023. Oh, I left out. There's a rally here. This is a cross-reading congruency. This Prince of Wands, so rally that increases with momentum moving forward in time, and it looks like it continues here in the morning. So we likely open higher, or there's a breakout early in the morning. And that's the S&P 500 for the 22nd of June, 2023. Don't forget to follow that rule of karma, my friends. 5% of the profits back to the channel here. That's what keeps the channel producing free content. 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities. That's what does the world, the multiverse good deed. It multiplies. When you do a good deed, it multiplies through the multiverse. It's not just one good deed, it's infinite good deeds multiplying onward through infinity. It's a blessed thing to do, guys. Be an angel investor. Send 5% of those profits forward and backwards, and make sure you spend that 90% out of love. The universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.